The 2021 Porsche Taycan gets a number of updates in the second model year. The 2021 Porsche Taycan enters its second model year with several updates. It's mostly the same car as 2020, but there are some tech improvements which we'll cover below. Before technology, let's talk acceleration. Porsche has revised the quarter-mile and 0 to 124 miles per hour acceleration figures. Now sprint through the quarter-mile in 10.7 seconds, 1/10 faster, and do 0 to 124 miles per hour in 9.6 seconds, 2/10 faster. The 2021 car isn't going any faster than before, but further testing and gathering more data shows Porsche that the car can reach these numbers. Porsche added a battery charge mode for 2021. When using a DC fast charger, this selectable mode will limit the charging capacity to 200 kilowatts. It's best used if it can be stopped longer, as Porsche says extends battery life and reduces power loss while charging. A standard speed of 270 kilowatts is used by default, assuming it has found an 800-volt high charging station. Charging just got easier with the new plug and charge feature. Purchase authentication at Electrify America stations will now be performed automatically in the background. All it needs to do is plug in, and the transaction is processed for. The color heads-up display joins the list of options for 2021. Additionally, Porsche's Smartlift functions to control ride height and raise the front end of the car over road obstacles can now be programmed to automatically ascend at certain repeating locations. The lift function only works if it has adaptive air suspension. The PCM infotainment system is also updated, adding the SiriusXM 360L to its media suite. More exterior and interior colors are available for 2021. New exterior paint options include mahogany metallic, frozenberry metallic, cherry metallic, coffee beige metallic, chalk, Neptune blue and ice gray metallic. And 5 new interior options are joined by new paintwork: standard black, limestone beige interior, blackberry and blackberry, slate gray leather interior, graphite blue, slate gray race tex interior, and basalt black, Meranti brown Alia Club leather interior. Lastly, Porsche has detailed some of the function-on-demand, subscription-based features that will be offered to the Taycan in the new model year. Owners will be allowed to purchase a number of functions thereafter through a monthly or yearly subscription model. For 2021, Porsche says 4 new functions will be available for direct purchase, and 3 will be available as monthly subscriptions. 2 new functions, available for 2021 are Active Lane Keep Assist and Inno Drive. Porsche Lane Maintenance will help keep drivers on track through steering intervention. And Inno Drive individually adjusts vehicle speed to the conditions ahead, with particular consideration for speed limits, turns, traffic circles, and situations in which to give up or stop. The 2021 Taycan will be available to order in the 4th quarter of this year, and will begin arriving at dealerships during the 1st quarter of 2021.